Okay, let's go to Bangkok.
Made it to Bangkok! So this is actually my second time here in Bangkok. In fact, this time we were not planning on doing Bangkok as such, but then we thought, okay, let's just do Bangkok. There are a lot of things to do in Bangkok, and we are here for the next 2.5 days. And of course, I'll be taking you guys along with me. And also for Bangkok, we did all our bookings and everything through this company called Dimark Tours. They organized everything from like our hotel, our pickup, all the itinerary and everything. So it was great. And one thing really nice about Dimark Tours is that even though like we went with them only for Bangkok, but even for like Phuket and Krabi, they called us. The owner actually called us, guided us throughout because he lives in Thailand right now. So he guided us so well, and it was very nice actually going with this company. And now we just checked into our hotel. We are staying at Centera Watergate. We have a cruise, like a dinner cruise and all planned for the day. And yeah, let's see where the day takes us. Out and about to explore Bangkok.
This place is a little overwhelming when you see all the tall buildings and the hotel lobby on the 9th floor.
Yes, it is. It's a proper city. And today, like I said, we are going for a dinner cruise. For that, we need to go to Icon Siam Mall. And yeah, let's find a tuk-tuk or a cab. Apparently, that's the best way to get around. They have a floating market inside of this mall. This is insane. Even though we are going for a dinner cruise, the food here was so tempting. So got ourselves some dumplings, some pork dumplings. Let's try this. So good. Seems like we were right in time for the fountain show. It happens at 7 p.m. and we didn't know. But yeah, that was so nice. Day 2 in Bangkok, and about last night, the cruise was really nice. It's definitely like a good orientation to the city, but more than that, that mall, it was a bit overwhelming because there's so much happening there, but it was just so nice. And about today, right now it's quite early in the morning. It's only about 6:10, and we have to go for a tour. We're going for the floating market and the train market tour. And for these tours, you have to be a little early because the markets are there only for like a limited time in the morning. So now the guy will come pick us up and then let's go.
Hello, friends.
Finally made it to Damnion Sadhuak floating market, and I really hope I did not butcher that name. This was a long ride from Bangkok. I thought it would be like probably like 30 minutes ride, but it was pretty long. And it's towards the outskirts, or maybe like a different village altogether. So here they have those floating markets. You can actually go on a boat, go around, and there's a whole market, which we will be doing in a bit. And after this, we'll be going to the train market. So now let's go and see what this is all about. Got ourselves some ice cream, one of our favorite things in Thailand. That was that. Quite a nice experience. It's actually more for the tourists than for the locals because we didn't see any vegetables or anything.
Yeah.
Mostly like tourist stuff, but nice.
Yeah, a little bit of COVID has affected the place.
Yeah, there are a lot
Getting back on
of
its feet.
a lot of shops were shut, and now we're going to go and see the train market. Here we are now at the train market, and this here is a proper local market. They have vegetables, they have meats, they have some even exotic food like frogs here. And as the train comes, they'll like pull back their shops and remove everything because the train has to go. Hello. This was so cool. I was curious to know like how they do it so fast, and they do it in a jiffy. Like literally they announce it and then they do it in a jiffy. The thing is their stalls are on wheels and rails. So as soon as they announce, they just pull it back, and it was so cool. Day 3 in Bangkok, and it's the last day here for us, unfortunately.
The last day in Thailand, so we better make it epic.
Yes, and we've planned a bunch of like different things for the day. It's a little bit of everything. We're going to a temple now. We're going to Wat Arun. After that, let's see. Like we'll do some shopping. Hopefully,
But
lots
the
of
highlight
shopping.
of the day, I hope the highlight of the day is going to be the Mahanakhon Skywalk, 300 meters observation deck. So let's see how that
Yeah,
goes.
you get a really nice view of the city from there. I'm pretty excited about that. I'm actually most excited for that. And now it's already quite late. It's around 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're off to a late start. And now let's go and see what the day has in store for us. Made it to Wat Arun, and it is so pretty out here. All these temples and the Grand Palace, it's in the old Bangkok, and this entire area, it is so stunning. Like there is all these very ornate looking buildings, and it is, I mean, just look at this. It's just stunning.
अत्त सम्मा पनिधिच एतं मंगल उत्तमं.
Wat Arun is also called the Temple of the Dawn, and it is apparently more than 300 years old. And the spire here, it is believed that there are some relics of Lord Buddha here.
विनयोच सुशिक्षितो
And here are our mains. This is pork with basil with rice and some sauce. And here's Amod's order. What's this?
This is chicken with some garlic pepper, and I'm just ready to dive in.
Dig right in. Not even a single meal we've had in Thailand has been bad. Like everything's been mind blowing. amazing. And you know what the best part is? It's not so crowded. Like recently I went to Dubai and I went on top of Burj Khalifa. But this is a lot more less overwhelming because not crowded. That there is where our hotel is. Looks so tiny. So much for my fear of heights. Going there, it's a glass ceiling. You get to walk, you get to dance. Let's go. I definitely recommend this. It was so good. And also this is a fairly newer attraction and therefore not very crowded. So if you're in Bangkok, definitely add this to your list.
The last stop on our entire trip of Thailand.
And let me tell you, shopping here has been a bit tiring.
Yeah, look who's talking.
Lots and lots of walking, but we did end up shopping quite a bit. Show them. Not a lot, but a little bit. And now here we are at Asiatic, which is a very nice, very pretty area. There's a night market as well. Lots of food options. It's a good place to come chill. A very touristy spot, but we thought let's do it.
At least one touristy thing at the end of the trip.
I think we did quite a lot of touristy things this time. But yeah, it looked nice. Like the day when we went on that cruise, we spotted this, like there's a huge Ferris wheel and it looked really nice. So here we are at the night market, I think.
Yeah.
So that's all about it for Thailand. Right now, I'm at the airport, at the Bangkok airport, and leaving for New Delhi. It's been such a wonderful trip. Like, we went to Phuket, Krabi, Bangkok, all of it was amazing. And obviously, traveling with Amod has been great because we did this after such a long time. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching these videos. Few of them have been like everywhere. I think there's some announcement going on, but anyways, it's been so nice. And like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. All the details and everything will be in the description box, so check it out if you're interested. And I'll see you all very soon with another video. Till then, take care and bye bye.